How to create Ghibli image, ChatGPT Ghibli image. So Ghibli image on ChatGPT is a recently new feature, but just keep in mind that this is only available for ChatGPT premium users. So you need to have the Plus subscription if you want to create a Ghibli image. Now once you have a subscription and then you're on chatgpt.com and then you are logged in, next thing you want to check is the model. Make sure you select the GPT-4o model right over there. Under the prompt, select the three dots icon and select the option that says Create Image. So this is a fairly new feature. Previously, ChatGPT used to create image using DALL-E, but now they have recently changed that. Now what you can do is you can use a reference image to convert that to a Ghibli image. You can hit the plus icon right here and you can choose to upload one from your computer. Once you've selected a photo, you can simply type in convert this image to Ghibli. Now what you can do is after it generates the image, you can also edit the image by adding more prompts like if you want to add a text and so on. So now just hit the arrow icon. By the way, it is definitely going to take some time for ChatGPT to be able to read the image and then convert what's in the image. So let's just wait until that process is complete as well. So as you can see, the image is being converted to a Ghibli style. And just like this, you will be able to convert and create a Ghibli image on ChatGPT. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.